What's so cool about manufacturing? Let's find out.
Vienna makes film for manufacturing.
Each day there are schedules to be met, recipes that need to be followed, oversee the activities of all of the hourly employees for the manufacturing process. It is making products that are going to be used by our customers and making sure that we exceed their expectations for the goods that we're providing for them. The world needs products to function with, and the world needs things to get by with.